Namaste. Welcome to this week's yoga pose tutorial. Navasana. Actually, we're going to be doing Navasana in a chair, so it'll be chair boat pose. I'm Dawn. I do yoga, and I empower women over 40, specifically professional business women, who are feeling overwhelmed. They can't fit one more thing in their schedule. They're feeling frazzled and even more so feeling burnt out. And I empower them to use yoga tools to go from those uncentered, frazzled states towards center and calm. My goal is to not add a new practice to your life, but simply find ways to use yoga to within your daily routine. This particular series is designed to be a single practice. It's a way for new yogis to learn a little bit about the different poses out there. I do walk through them step by step, and then they can also be strung together. I do have the yeah. So, if you're watching live, hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, hashtag replay. And without further delay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. You can practice this on the floor if you'd like. Essentially, majority of the cues will be the same, except you'll have your hands on the floor instead of on your chair. A chair without arms is best. A folding chair, similar to the one I have here, would work really well. However, you just need a chair where you can hold on and see yourself. So give me 1 second here. There we go. And come to your comfortable seat. So bring your seat to the edge of the chair, so your bottom will be at the edge of the chair. And you notice I'm in shorts today. First of all, it's hot where I'm at. And second of all, I'm just demonstrating that you can do yoga in any sort of comfortable clothes. You don't have to have Lululemon or Athleta or any kind of special clothing to practice yoga. You just want to be comfortable and in clothing that you can move freely. So, rant over, hands behind you. So your bottom is on the chair, you're leaning back. You can, if you're in a chair like this one, you can lean your elbows against the back of the chair, scoop the front of your belly up toward your heart. This is super important that you engage your core because you don't want to hurt your lower back here. And once you're in this position, you have your core brace, scooping your belly in and up toward your heart, you can begin to lift one foot, then the other. Lift one foot, then the other. You're breathing naturally. You're keeping your core engaged. And if and when you're ready, you can grab a hold of your chair and lift both feet. This is not an easy pose. So if you're new to this pose, new to yoga, please take one leg at a time. Build your strength. There's no right or wrong way to do any yoga pose. And if anyone tells you otherwise, they may not be the right yoga teacher for you. And when you're ready to come out, inhale and exhale, push yourself up to a seat. So quick and simple, this is an excellent pose to use to build your core. I'd love to hear what you thought of the practice. Drop your comments below. I am offering a live class this coming week in the group. And if you're watching this after May 20th, just pop me a DM if you're interested, or a comment, if you're interested in learning more about the group classes I offer. I'm hoping to do a community yoga class once a month from starting this week. And I'm also going to drop the link to my freebies. If you're loving these tutorials, you're loving the May daily yoga tips, I have a free ebook guide with 5 additional 1-minute practices that is available to you. I'd love to share that with you. And if you are interested in working one-on-one with me, please drop an "I'm interested" in the comments, and I will reach out to you. Be well, my friends, and I will see you all very soon.